Hey, son. So, are you excited of your new baby sister?
Yes.
Yeah. So, she's a girl, guys. And, mm, love, love, this baby.
Yes.
Love, love. This baby. Kiss to baby. Love. Yeah. Love, 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 love. So, she's Atina. So, mommy loves you, but still, all of my baby, Marvel and Samantha and baby. So, we will think on name.
Yes.
So, we'll figure out soon if what's the baby name. So, if you have suggestion, guys, just comment.